So find the correct alignment in Shavasana. Your legs are approximately hip distance apart. Your hands are about 5 centimeters away from the trunk. And your whole body is completely relaxed. Make the conscious effort of relaxing each and every muscle in the body. Relax your muscles, relax your breathing, relax the whole body. Making sure that if the lights are too bright, you can cover yourself with a piece of blindfold. Remove all the objects from the body, like the watch, the specs. Remove all the tensions from the mind if possible, and simply relax. We'll begin by first teaching you how to do Shavasana. So as you're consciously making effort to relax the whole body, become aware of all the external sounds and take your awareness to the farthest sound that you can hear. The farthest sound that you can hear, perhaps the sound of a car driving through, or the sound of the wind, the sound of the birds chirping, the sound of some construction happening outside. Whatever sounds or disturbances are coming, simply become aware of them. And rotate your awareness from one sound to the other. Slowly try to forget or not to think too much about the object of the sound. Simply try to listen to the sound. Become aware of the vibration of the sound. Gently bring your awareness to the room where you're practicing Shavasana and become aware of any disturbances, any sounds coming from the room where you're practicing. Perhaps sounds of some other people practicing with you, or some disturbances coming from the window, perhaps the sound of your breathing. Whatever sounds you can hear, simply observe. Rotate your awareness from one sound to the next. Gently become aware of your breathing without trying to change the breathing in any way. Simply observe that the breath is entering the body from the nostrils and the breath is leaving the body from the nostrils. Bring your full awareness to the breathing and the nostrils. Observe the cool air entering the body from the nostrils. And observe the slightly warmer air leaving the body from the nostrils. Bring your awareness to the throat center. Become aware of the sound of your breathing. Bring your awareness to the heart center. And try to become aware of the heartbeat. Try to become aware of the sound of the heartbeat. Become aware of your physical body, lying down on the mat, completely relaxed, practicing Shavasana. Remind yourself that you are practicing Shavasana. The body is completely relaxed, but you are fully aware. Become aware of all the contact points between the body and the floor. The back of the head and the floor. The shoulders and the floor. Elbows and the floor. Back of the hands and the floor. Buttocks and the floor. Calf muscles and the floor. Heels and the floor. Gently move your awareness to each and every contact point between the body and the floor. And ask yourself, how are my muscles in this region? Are they tight? Are they relaxed? Wherever they are, try to relax them further. Consciously making an effort to relax all the muscles at the contact points and the floor. Become aware of your forehead. Are you frowning? Try to relax your forehead. Become aware of your lips. Are they tightly held together? Are they relaxed? Wherever they are, try to relax them further. Try to relax your jaws, making sure that your teeth are not clenched. Try to unclench your teeth without opening the lips. The tongue is completely relaxed. Now visualize that all the muscles in the body have become completely relaxed. They have become so relaxed that you cannot move them also. Even if you send the order to the muscle to engage it, it's not possible. Muscles have completely detached from the brain. They've entered a state of deep relaxation. Gently bring the awareness to the right hand and visualize that the right hand is sinking into the floor. Right hand is becoming heavier and heavier and sinking deeper into the floor. The whole of the right hand is sinking very gently into the floor. The whole of the left hand is sinking gently into the floor. The whole of the right leg is sinking gently into the floor. The whole of the left leg is sinking gently into the floor. The back of the head is sinking very gently into the floor. The whole body is sinking very gently into the floor. Bring your awareness to Chidakash, the empty space in front of the closed eyes. Simply observe this dark space, this comforting dark space in front of the closed eyes. Visualize this infinite dark space all around the body. That your body is sinking gently deeper and deeper into this dark space. The next 1 minute or so, you are gently sinking deeper and deeper into this infinite dark space. Very gently bring your awareness to your breathing without trying to change anything. Simply observe the flow of the breath in the body. Bring your full awareness to the tip of the nose, to your nostrils, and observe the inhale, cool air entering the nostrils. And with the exhale, slightly warm air leaving the nostril. Full awareness at the nostrils. With each inhale, observe the coolness of the air entering the body. And with each exhale, observe the warmth of the air leaving the body. Once you're comfortable, start counting backwards from 27. 27, cool air entering the nostrils. 27, warm air exiting the nostrils. 26, cool air entering the nostrils. And so on, counting backwards till 1. Do not miss the breathing, your awareness at nostrils and the counting. If you make a mistake, or if you lose your awareness, you can start again from 27. Now cease all your efforts. Simply bring your awareness back to the physical body. Gently cease all your efforts and bring the awareness back to the body. Become aware of your physical body, practicing Shavasana, completely relaxed on the floor. And very gently bring the movement back to the physical body. You can move your fingertips, you can move the tip of your toes, you can move your head side to side. And with the next inhale, very gently raise your hands up above the head. You can bring your legs together and give yourself a nice stretch for a couple of breaths. Stretch the whole body. And with the exhale, you can turn to your favorite side and take a couple of breaths on your favorite side. And with the next inhalation, using the support of the hands, come back to a sitting position. And prepare yourself for chanting 1 Om and 3 Shantis. So bring your hands in front of the heart center and take a deep yogic breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Rub your palms together. Bring your palms to your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Gently release your palms. You can rub the palms all over the body, thanking your body, thanking the mind for bringing you to this practice. Gently bow down to the divinity within yourself and others. And with a big smile, you can open the eyes. If you did the practice correctly, I'm sure you will be feeling a very nice relaxation at this point of time. And you're now ready to carry on with your meditation practice or with your day. And this is a preliminary practice for Yog Nidra, the way I taught you Shavasana today. So my suggestion is before the next session, I will do the next practice on Thursday, where we will go in a little bit deeper. You should try and practice this every day before sleeping, or in the morning after you get up, or in the evening, whenever you have time. Try to practice it once a day. You don't need to practice the full activation if you don't have time. You can just practice from the time of Shavasana. And I'll also share the recording with you guys. So you can listen to it if you want to, and you can practice it in your free time. And then we will meet again the next week, where we will go slightly deeper into the practice. Namaste. Anybody has any questions? I can take them for a couple of minutes. Maybe after this practice, you don't have any questions. So carry on with your day, and we will connect next week. Bye.